This is a tool called Popplet. I'm going to show you the basics of how to use it. Popplet is a tool that you would use to make a mind map or to organize your thoughts visually on really any topic. To start, just go to popplet.com, and when you get to your Popplet screen, you double click to create your first popple. And there it is. For an example, I'm going to use our latest science topic, atoms. So to start, you can put any information you want in your popple. You can either type or draw or upload a picture or something else. So to start, I'm just going to write atoms in my popple, and you can just click in the popple like I did, and that will automatically bring you to a text box, or you can go to type stuff, which is this A symbol here, and that will also bring up a text box, and you can, as you can see, adjust the size of your font, making it larger or smaller, and you can change the justification if you want it in the center, left, or right. I'll leave mine in the center for now, but you don't have to stop there. Maybe you want to add a picture as well. You can add another thing to the same box. So if you click here on upload things, you can add an image via Vimeo, YouTube, or from your computer. I'm going to choose from your computer and select an atom picture that I have. And then you can resize your popples very easily using these arrow buttons that are located on the outside of each popple. The other neat thing you can do is you can connect popples to each other however you'd like. So if you see these little circles on the outside of each popple, you can drag and it will create a new popple when you let go. You can resize again, and you can move your new popples wherever you'd like. You can see that you could create an endless chain of popples. So maybe here I'm going to write about the nucleus, and from the nucleus I want two new popples, one for protons and one for neutrons, because both are located in the nucleus. Now, the other neat thing you can do is you can draw. So maybe I'm going to go to draw things here, and maybe I want to just make a plus sign to show that protons have a positive charge. When you click on the draw icon, you can change the color of your drawing. Maybe I want to make it red, and I'm just drawing with my mouse. You can clear the drawing, expand the drawing, make it bigger. It's totally up to you. Now that's a little too big, so I'm going to resize it again. The other thing that you can do is you can change the outside of your popple frame. So here I can change it to, say, green. This allows you to organize information differently. So if you had subtopics, you could put all of your subtopics in a particular color. You could just make it more aesthetically pleasing if you'd like. You could make everything about protons green and everything about neutrons pink. I mean, the possibilities are endless. I'm just going to put a little bit more information so I remember here. And then maybe we want to make another branch for electrons. The great thing is that it's very flexible, and you can adjust everything as you go. So you can move everything around. You could delete a popple. Say you decide you don't want this one anymore, just click the X, and it will ask if you really want to, and you say yes. So it's very easy to use, and it gives you a lot of flexibility. You can zoom in and out of your popple up here, and when you hit View All, it will center your work on the middle of the screen. I hope that gives you a sense of the basics of how to use Popplet, and you're only limited by your creativity. could really use this for any topic that we talk about in class.